Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to upload some files on Google Drive. So here we can do several things. So the first way is just open the Google Drive here, and after that please take a look on this bottom line. There will be like a plus sections here. You just need to click plus symbol and there will be a lot of options. Either you want to add a folder, upload, use camera, Google Docs, Google Sheet, or Google Slides. So if you want to upload the files, just click upload, and now you can choose either you want to upload a photos or video from your gallery, or you want to upload the files from the files on your phone. So after that, after you find one files that you want to upload, just click it and wait until the document is uploaded into your drive. That's the first way. And then the second way, you just need to go into the documents or the files that you want to upload. For example, here you just need to click it and open it, and please take a look on this bottom line on the left corner. You can just click it and they will be generated into several options. Please focusing on this application and scrolling into the left side until you find a drive symbol, and then just click it. Okay, hold on. And now if you already make sure that the account of drive is correct, you just need to click upload. Okay, wait, and now we already upload the files. That's all the way how you upload a file or document on Google Drive. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.